a Nakashima inspired side table. It's a great project for any woodworker who's interested in building a beautiful piece of furniture and who is interested in Nakashima or Asian inspired furniture. In this project, we're gonna mill up some lumber and then we'll make a router jig to cut 1/2 of the bridal joint, the tenon, and then the table saw, I'll show you how to cut perfect mortises to match the exact same thickness of your tenon. We'll shape all of our parts, and I'll go over some techniques for how I surface prep my pieces that'll help you get a gap-free joint. And then we'll build up a beautiful finish on our side table. So I hope that you join me to build this beautiful Nakashima-inspired side table.